Hello friends, hand waving, welcome to ProMonk, your daily dose of mobile updates and reviews. Today, we're diving into a smartphone that's been making waves in 2025, the Realme Narzo 60 Pro. Let's start with the design. The Narzo 60 Pro comes with a premium curved body and slim bezels that immediately give it a stylish and modern look. When placed on a glass table or its retail box, it reflects a sleek finish that feels both classy and futuristic. It's light in the hand, comfortable to use, and definitely one of the most eye-catching devices in its price range. Now, moving on to the display. This phone is equipped with a brilliant AMOLED panel with a high refresh rate, making everything from scrolling through apps to gaming feel ultra smooth. Colors are sharp, vibrant, and punchy, which means watching videos or browsing photos is an absolute treat. Performance is another highlight. Powered by a strong processor and ample RAM, the Realme Narzo 60 Pro handles multitasking with ease. Whether you're switching between heavy apps or enjoying graphics-intensive games, this phone doesn't slow down. It's built for users who want speed and reliability every single day. And what about the battery? Well, Realme made sure this device is ready for your busy lifestyle. With a long-lasting battery and superfast charging, you'll never have to worry about running out of power. Just plug in the charging connector, and within minutes, you're ready to go again. Camera lovers, you'll be happy too. The Narzo 60 Pro comes with a high-resolution rear camera system that captures sharp, detailed shots in every lighting condition. Selfies from the front camera also look natural and crisp, perfect for social media or video calls. So, if you're searching for a smartphone that offers premium design, smooth display, powerful performance, and great cameras without breaking the bank, then the Realme Narzo 60 Pro is definitely worth considering. Friends, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ProMonk for more daily mobile updates. Your support motivates us to bring you the latest tech every single day. Rock it! Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Take care.